Welcome students, this is second part of important MCQs of basic electronics. Course code is 22225. Unit 1 is diodes and their application. Question number 1 is what is a varistor? Options are a voltage dependent resistor, second is a voltage dependent diode, third a current dependent resistor, and fourth is a current dependent diode. And the answer is A, that is a varistor is a voltage dependent resistor. Which type of transformer is required to create a 180-degree input to a rectifier? Answer is A, that is center tap secondary transformer is required. Question number 3 is what circuit activity may shift a characteristic curve so that diode operating points are different? And the answer is A, that is higher power, that is heat. Question number 4 is what is wrong with diode? First is open, short, nothing, and not enough data, and nothing is wrong with this diode. Image is given. The DC current through each diode in a bridge rectifier equals the load current, that is option A is the answer. When matching polarity connection have been made and the potential difference is above 0.7 volt, the diode is considered to be what? It is considered to be forward bias diode. Question number 7 is in a power supply diagram which block indicate a smooth DC output, regular is the answer. Then if a 169.7 volt half wave peak has an average voltage of 54 volt, what is the average of two full wave peaks? Average is 108.0 volt, that is B. Then question number 9 is what is the current through LED? 13 milliampere, it is the current through LED. The characteristic curve for complex model of silicon diode shows that the barrier potential increases slightly with an increase in current, that is C is the correct answer. Since diodes are destroyed by excessive current, circuits must have what? Circuits must have current limiting resistors. Then question number 12 is a diode for which you can change the reverse bias and thus vary capacitance. It is called as varactor diode, that is A is the answer. A filtered full wave rectifier voltage has a smaller ripple than does a half wave rectifier voltage for the same load resistance and capacitor value because there is a shorter time between peaks. That is A is the answer. Testing a good diode with a ohm meter should indicate what? High resistance when reverse bias and low resistance when forward bias. Question number 15 is the peak inverse voltage, that is PIV, across a non-conducting diode in a bridge rectifier equals approximately the peak value of secondary voltage, that is C is the answer. What is the current through the diode? 1 milliampere, it is the current through the diode. Electrons in the outermost orbit or shell of an atom, it is called as valence electron, that is C. Shunting the AC component away from the load is the risk of filter, that is B is the answer. A PN junction allows current flow when the P-type material is more positive than N-type material. What is current through the Zener diode? It is 7 milliampere.